Are you a CPA looking to elevate your work life and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving landscape of AI in accounting and business? Look no further than this Mastering Microsoft Copilot course. This on-demand course, tailored exclusively for CPAs in Canada, will show you how to revolutionize the way you interact with Microsoft 365 applications because Copilot is AI that is integrated into Microsoft Windows and apps. Discover the transformative power of Microsoft Copilot and learn how to leverage artificial intelligence to enhance your productivity, creativity, and decision-making skills. You'll see dynamic screencasts demonstrating how Copilot will revolutionize the way you use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Whether it's drafting documents, analyzing data, creating powerful presentations, or managing emails, this course will empower you to harness AI for unparalleled efficiency. But this isn't a Microsoft commercial. We'll go through the good and the bad so you can decide when to use Copilot and when other tools like ChatGPT are a better option. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Copilot as a powerful and reliable assistant that can help you with any document-related task. Enroll now and transform your professional life with the cutting-edge capabilities of Microsoft Copilot.